Hello guys, this is Eddie. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to install Reshade into FiveM and GTA 5, which changes the look of the game without stressing your system. Before starting, a very special thanks to Mr. Damyan for the super thanks support. Highly appreciate it. Let's get into the video now. First of all, go to www.reshade.me and click the download button shown. Once the Reshade is downloaded, open the setup and search for GTA in the list. If GTA is not present in this list for some reason, browse and go to the directory where your game is installed. Once you are in the GTA directory, click on GTA5.exe file. Select it. Now select DirectX 11 option and click next. Skip this step. In the effects selection, click the check all option on the top right and press next. It would take a little while downloading the assets of the effects. Once it's done, click finish. And boom, you have successfully installed Reshade into GTA 5. To access the Reshade menu, press home key on your keyboard and it will bring up the Reshade menu. There's a lot of Reshade presets that are installed and you have to select them according to what you like. I'll leave a link in the description for you from where you can download a bunch of presets as well. To access the downloaded Reshade presets, make a folder in GTA main directory named Reshade presets and keep all the INI files in there. To access the downloaded presets in the Reshade menu, browse and select Reshade presets folder which you made earlier and you'll be able to access all the downloaded presets. Reshade is a great way to enhance the visuals of GTA 5 without putting too much stress on your system. It works on both story mode and FiveM. I have also made quick and easy tutorials on how to install latest version of NV and QuantV. If you are interested, click on the cards shown on the top right corner to watch them. I try to keep my FiveM tutorials as short and simple as possible. If you still have any questions and queries regarding the installation of Reshade, comment down below and I'll try to resolve your issue. If this video was helpful for you, I would request you to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, don't miss to turn on the notifications so that you get notified next time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.